Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Surfshark VPN. As you can see, we have Surfshark downloaded already and we're going to open it. And here is Surfshark. You can see here location, static IP, multi-hop and dedicated IP. However, for the average user, you're really interested in connecting to a particular location. So when you tap on location at the top, you can see different countries around the world. Now, as you scroll through these different countries, when you see the drop down, this means that you can have multiple cities for that particular country. You have Bordeaux, Marseille, and Paris. And the same is for Germany. Now, of course, if you want to have this, you will need to make sure that you're on a payment plan. For example, if we click on Germany for the drop down and select Berlin, you can see that you'll need to use the Surfshark Starter, the 12 months plan at £3.74 per month. The full price at $44.99 per year, and you can start a free trial. If you'd like to see other plans, you can tap on the see other plans right here, and you can see the different plans. This is for the 12 months, and you can scroll down. You can see Surfshark Starter, Surfshark One, and you can also compare them between the starter and the one. And then you can go through the 6 months and the 1 month plan. Now, why is this important? It is important if you want to use Surfshark according to specific locations. And that's why when you open Surfshark, you will always see you don't have any active subscription facing you all the time. And then you have Quick Connect right here. Now, the purpose of having the Quick Connect button is to basically choose any random location in order to have your IP. Basically, any location other than your regional IP. And this is important in case in your region you're blocked from having access to certain websites. And then at the bottom right here, of course, you have VPN and then alternative ID. And this is used if you'd like to have an alternative persona and email. This is important if you're trying to get into websites or registrations that are temporary. And then under products, you have other Surfshark product. However, you'll need to make an upgrade in order to use it. You'll have features such as alerts to automatically monitor emails, credit cards, and personal IDs. You also have antivirus, which is important if you're bouncing through different IPs and you're going through different websites. You have the search and the alternative ID, which we just talked about. And it goes for £49.99 per year. And then under settings, you have VPN settings, app settings, my account, get help, refer and earn. So if you'd like to have any of these options, you can go ahead. For example, the refer and earn is easy to understand as you might be able to refer Surfshark to other users and earn some percentage. And then you have my account, and under my account, you can put in your login code, your email address, your subscription info, or delete your account. And then when you go to VPN settings, you can see different settings which are for advanced users, and you can use this according to your needs. So at this point, we hope you're able to understand better how to use Surfshark, especially when you're on a payment plan. If this video was helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.